In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dynamic transition to your video using CapCut, a powerful and intuitive editing tool. Whether you're a beginner or have some editing experience, this guide will walk you through a simple yet effective transition that can elevate the visual appeal of your project. Let's dive right in. First things first, you want to begin by adding the two clips you plan to transition between to the timeline. This is your working space where you can see and manipulate your video elements. Make sure you've got the clips in sequence, one after the other, so there's no gap between them. This setup is essential because the transition will act as the bridge between these two video pieces, creating a seamless viewing experience. Once your clips are in place, you'll need to open the transition menu. In CapCut, this menu is your gateway to various effects that can connect clips in creative ways. Navigate to the 3D section of the transition menu. Within this section, you'll find options that add depth and a sense of movement to your video. Now, what we're looking for is the rotating door transition. It's a favorite among many editors for its dynamic flair, reminiscent of a door swinging open to reveal the next scene. Go ahead and select it. This transition not only adds visual interest but can create a narrative continuity, almost like turning the page in a storybook. After selecting the rotating door transition, it's important to set the direction and duration. The direction determines which way the transition moves across the screen. You might want to experiment a bit to see what feels more natural for your story. As for the duration, this controls how long the transition takes from start to finish. A shorter duration can make your transition sharp and snappy, which is great for action scenes, while a longer one might suit a more dramatic unfolding. The final touch is adjusting the timing of your transition to match the rhythm of your video or music. This step can make all the difference in ensuring your transition feels integrated rather than jarring. Listen to the beats or the mood of your background score, and try to align the transition's movement with these cues. If your video includes dialogue, you'll want the transition to coincide with pauses or changes in the dialogue for a smoother flow. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've learned how to add a captivating rotating door transition in CapCut. This technique can truly enhance the storytelling aspect of your video, engaging viewers and keeping their attention. Happy editing! And enjoy experimenting with other transitions to find